In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the jinn have been imprisoned in the house. The actions we have started to take are on the topic that if there are jinn with a friend, a child or an adult, then how will they be imprisoned in the house? Then how will we get them out of the house? First of all, we will see who they are with. After reading it, you should put it in one corner of the house and one in the second corner and one in the third corner and let the fourth corner nail stay for 1 day or 1 night. Then those giants will carry their entire families and tribes, their houses and their beds, and they will shift from there, but do not put 4 nails together, but leave 1 nail so that they do not face any difficulty in going. Put it for 3 and let it stay for the 4th tomorrow. Let 1 night pass, let this 1 day pass. Put that steel tomorrow in the 4th corner. You will like this short video today. If you like the video, please like our channel, subscribe and share and press the voice bell button so that the new video will reach you. They are sure that the congregation of the disbelievers will share them.